Tools and fittings required. You are going to need the specified length of track, 3.5 times 19mm screws, electric drill, 3mm drill bit, a posi drill bit, silicone mastic and a Stanley knife. Before we start, you need to be aware that fitting track is different for all boats and all covers, but the necessary steps stay the same. So apply these instructions to your own vessel and make sure to follow your deck plan correctly. To start, you are going to need to find the centre of your hatch garage and the centre of your track and mark. You are then going to want to mark every 4 inches out from that centre mark on the track, port and starboard, making sure you have a mark either side of any gaps in the GRP. You need to make sure that these 4-inch marks are up until the point that the track starts to bend round the GRP moulding. You can then go ahead and drill these marks in the track with your 3mm drill bit, and then after that line up the centre mark on the track with your centre mark on the garage and drill the hole with your 3mm drill bit, making sure you only drill through the top layer of the GRP. Then you'll need to fill that with a silicone mastic to seal it when screwed into. Then using the posi drill bit and electrical drill, screw the centre down with a 3.5 times 19mm screw. You can now repeat this process, working your way port and starboard on the marks you have already done, ensuring that you are following the deck plan given and following the moulding around the edge of the GRP. Once you have then gotten to the point where the track needs to bend, you need to reduce the screw distance to every 2 inches and continue that same process round to the ends of the track, making sure you have screwed it down at the ends also. Finally, using the Stanley knife, shave and clean up any areas of imperfections from drilling and screwing into the track to allow the bolt rope to slide in and out smoothly. And that is how you fit a Tecsew issue track.